Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to improve your Discord audio quality. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! For many people, Discord is a text-based messaging tool, but a large number of users prefer voice chat. Whether is not is out of necessity or a simple preference. If you are engaged in voice chat, you want to ensure you are getting the best possible sound experience. So how to set your Discord with the best quality voice is very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Discord. From here, you can go to settings. You can go to setting by tap on your profile, tap on the upper right corner, and here you can just scroll down. You can go to phone, and in here you can set for the noise suppression. If yours is none, you can change to crisp. You can also enable the echo cancellation to make your voice more clean, and also the stream attenuation, automatic gain control, and advanced voice activity. You can just enable all these features. Actually, you just need to set all these features on your Discord. After that, your Discord voice will be more clean and nice to be here. And also, don't forget to update your phone or device, because when your phone need to update, maybe there's like bug to your microphone, so it makes your Discord voice trouble. So you can check to your software too on your device if it needs to update or not. It's very simple, right? So that is how to make your Discord voice more clean. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.